Push up, let's go!
What's up, dudes? It's been a while. I got some old footage of the Black Hawk Down event 2024 down at Blast Camp Airsoft, Indiana. I'm with the homies Ben, Sergio, and Jose on Green Team, aka the forces that were attacking NATO forces during the real-life event of Black Hawk Down. Side note, however, oddly enough, multicam was allowed on Green Team despite fighting against NATO forces who are commonly recognized as wearing multicam in current world times. I'm running the good old Wolverine MTW with a G&G Green Bucking Omega Nub with 0.32 gram BBs chronoed at around 1.45 joules, right under the 1.5 joule limit. That way I can shoot through tough leaves in the forest. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace!
Oh, there's a bunch of NATO on the road!
Where are we going?
I'm really
He's
tempted.
right there.
I'm so tempted. Who's got the range on him? You do. All right, book it. Let's get him! Ethan!
Let's go!
Ethan!
Hey, push! We got smoke. Building next to us.
Hey, they are on the building next to us. Yeah. Yeah. Which one?
Woo! They're shooting at us. They're right there at the buildings. They're close, like 20 meters.
Yeah. There we go.
Yo! Huh?
Somebody got hit over there.
Hey, our teammate got hit. Alright, I want to reposition.
Ribbon, right?
Huh?
Can we take down the orange ribbons?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah? They're all back. I don't know if we have to take down ribbons. I could have been taking them down. I just didn't know.
I don't know. I'm gonna go ask.
Okay. I'll hold it here.
Okay. Two building in adjacent building too.
Okay.
Left side doorway.
Hey, someone's up.
Hey, building right there.
Hey. Oh, there we go. I'm up.
In the building ahead of me, I see enemy movement behind this crate and spool, so I aim right above the crate if they choose to look above the crate. At this point, the enemy knows my location, so I decide to rush in while they decipher if I am friendly or not.
No.
Why do you have markings on you then?
Huh?
You don't have markings on you. You're supposed to have green tape on you.
We didn't get any tape.
Yeah, because we have guys with green camo on our team.
Yeah.
Yeah, we realized that too. Hey, green!
They don't even have tape either.
After responding, I did a little bit of area recon and spotted a 2-story building holding a team-sized element setting up on the second floor. 2 of them at the far left window looking in our direction with small arms capabilities. I then tried to go back to my team and report what I found.
Sergio! Sergio! In that building, second floor.
I've been spotted, so I hold this angle for a couple of minutes to see if they send in enemy forces. At this point, I'd speculate my position has been compromised, so I decide to try to gather as much info as I can for my next respawn. After responding, I gathered a team-size element of 4 to 5 people, including myself, Sergio, and a designated marksman to try to capture the building, while another friendly team located here, roughly 50 meters southeast of our location, waits for our signal to push up.
There's a fucking bunch of them over there. Oh, if you come to me, you have the range.
This is a brand new sniper to me and I don't have it set in.
There, if you look that way, you'll see a lot of them. Just be careful when you peek, because they can see you from the tower, so stay low when you can. You see him, right?
Oh yeah, I see a few of them.
Yeah, so if you go there, you should be good. Oh, we're getting shot at. They know. Okay.
We really need a tower.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find a way around.
Yeah.
I'm looking at. Fuck, because I don't know. Zigzag is gonna be crazy.
Oh yeah.
Because that pinwheel, you see that pinwheel right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be a great spot to shoot out of.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard to get there.
I can try to suppress them. I can just fucking rush it. What do you think?
I think that would be good because we're getting more people to help out.
Okay.
Hey, guys. Everyone, yeah, get over here.
You guys think I can make that shot?
Yeah. So we're in a really good spot. I'm gonna start moving up a little bit. So what we want to do is we just want to start covering fire. That's all we need to do the whole time. All right. Once we run, we can all go. Ready, Angel?
Yeah.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Push up, let's go! Okay. One's down in the tower.
Okay.
Hey, push up! Let's go! Great team!
Left side! Left side! You ready?
Yep.
Hey, who's downstairs? Downstairs.
That was great. It looked like you weren't going to take it, sorry. Yeah, of course.
Oh, fuck!
Well, he doesn't have an arm.
Clear, clear! Sergio, how about you?
They're supposed to have armbands so that we can get through this game. Go. Yeah.
Bang, 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 bang!
There's no bang bang.
Oh, there's no bang bang?
You're good, you're good.
Sorry, because the rest of your teams are being fucking assholes right now.
You're good, you're good.
Since the building is one of several locations that holds significant strategic importance, we try again to capture it. However, an enemy player is hidden in the bushes in front of us, preventing us from moving forward.
Yep. Yep. Hey Ben, he's out. Let's go. Good spot. Fuck.
Oh, compound? Yeah, it's right here. Well, if we take compound, we secure this.
And then you got like 3 or 4 of them against this wall over here to my 3 o'clock.
You want to go for that?
Yeah.
Because the rest of the dudes are
Yeah.
focused.
Hey,
Yeah. Okay.
The original plan was for Sergio to lead a squad of about 10 people in a frontal attack on a 2-story building as a diversion, while my team conducted route recon to find a better post to capture the 2-story building. However, during our route recon, we discovered a large number of hostile players on a compound located here, posing a significant threat to Sergio's team. So we decided to start picking off opposing players in the distance before attacking the compound.
At the door, somebody's at the door.
No, they'll be focused. What a bitch. Oh well.
Nobody got hit. Oh, wow. I see your line of fire clearly.
Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. Must. And I'm hit. I'm hit. Urgh.
They might be inside. You guys want to clear it? Let's go clear it.
Let's go. Sergio, they saw me. Hey, they saw me.
We lost the woods on the left side after dying, so we shifted our strategy and attempted to gain land on the right side.
All right. right side.
Right side. Building right side.
What's up?
Building right side.
Oh, this right side. Okay. We got 2 guys here watching.
Yeah.
Guys watching here.
Should be good. We got one guy watching.
No, remember that one time you rushed me and shit? Yeah, I don't know about that. That's what I thought.
Wow. It looks like it's clear on the second floor, dude.
Second floor clear?
It looks like it. I'm not tripping, right? Like, stand right here and look at the second floor. You don't see anything, right?
No. Did you? Yeah. Your dad?
Yeah.
Oh.
Damn.
They were back, don't worry.
No, yeah. There's no one in the second floor.
Okay.
We need a banger though. No,
I'm not cross.
Watch road.
Right there?
Yeah, I'm thinking so.
I guess there's one over there.
Down road, Michael.
I don't know. I can't see.
I wonder why.
You want to go to that spool?
I think if you push down road, there's a tunnel on the left of the field.
Yeah, but they're down.
Oh, that's full auto.
See the spawn, right? They're coming in now.
The castle, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like in the open.
It's you, man. I really don't know where to go.
We're pushing them up pretty well on this side. I'm gonna give you a check.
Okay. Billet.
The sound of him running.
I'm gonna push over with them.
Go.
I almost shot Ref in the back of the head. That would have been an oops.
Go. Cover fire.
Oh shit.
I'm dead.
This guy.
That's the guy.
Put it all the way.
Yeah.
There's the roll too if you don't want to use this.
So in this episode of National Geographic, we're following Ben, our guide, to outskirts of fuck knows where.
I don't think he speaks English, but we're just following him.
Yeah, he seems Cambodian to me. Burmese, maybe?
The exotic. That's an ultra.
We just went up that shit like nothing.
One more, second floor.
Here, I joined a group of random players who were in a stalemate with opposing players in front of them, so I laid down with them to see if the enemy would make a move first. I've been sitting here for about 15 minutes and began to feel bored, so I decided to push up once I get a kill.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good, man. Camo scared me for a second. Alex, very into the road. We got contact up front. We got mine.
On the left side of the map, I came across friendly forces who had been pinned down by an enemy sniper, so we decided to try and smoke their line of fire to flank around them. However, these brands of smoke grenades are known to be unreliable.
Smoke right here or on the road.
Okay.
We'll blind him. I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, you know where he is.
Pull it good.
Don't hurt yourself.
Want me to pull it? I got gloves. You ready to throw it? Ready?
Yep.
God damn. Oh, fuck, bitch. Bitch.
Watch that sniper to your right.
I can't. Damn. Nice.
Got him. Yeah, you too, man. I don't
you
know
got
where
it,
that
nice.
baby came from. That's
I
all
got
can
6 of
give
them.
you
Oh,
away.
sick. Okay.
Where you want it?
On you. You know where he is.
I think I just killed him, bro.
You guys want to cross them?
Yeah, I killed that guy. He's down.
Shots.
Oh, they're shooting through. Right there. Coming down the road.
Oh, is that woods to the right? Oh. I got you. Good smoke. Ain't no way.
We're friendly! No, you didn't! You got the other guy in front of him! Oh. Buddy, you did I was, trust me.
Two or three up here.
Now that's a position, bro.
They're looking for us now.
Okay. You have any friendlies in the front?
Not that I know of, unless they're way up to the left. Anyone
Okay.
coming straight through here is going to be tan.
Okay, just watch out then. I'm gonna push up. Okay. Over there. I'm gonna go over here.
There are several branches in the way, so I hold my position and wait for a better opportunity.
You got me! Oh, I'm out of ammo! Friendly! Green! 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 You did.
I am so fucking.
It's okay, it happens.
It happens to me every year.
It happens, man. You're good. Don't worry about it. Excuse me. Thank you. Green. Green.
In this scene, you'll see why it's important to use a heavier BB to shoot through some tough vegetation. Do also note that what you see may differ from what the enemy sees.
The bushes are in the way! The bushes are in the way!
Alright. I definitely got your ass though.
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, bushes.
Yeah, but yet you hit me through the bush. I hit you. Yeah, I know. And then he got me. Yeah.
Good flank.
Anyway, that's about it for the event. Thanks for stopping by and take care. Peace.